Hello everyone. Today we got a new journal, and this is Beauty and the Beast. It's a new one because one of them I used it a lot. Because I used it a lot of pages. And I used all of it up. And now I got a new one. And it's like a journal. It's got pages. Got some more pages than that book. Than that one. Did you like it? You can put your name at the top. And that's the book. Back says, believe. It says believe at the back. Believe at the back in Disney Princess. Disney Princess. Disney Princess. Look like this little picture of Belle. So that was it. So that was just the review of our little new journal that we got. Subscribe for more videos like this one. One more thing to say. Bye everyone. Don't go too far, because we will be back. Just click subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.